today's contestants. A roofing contractor from Pasadena, California, Eric Winchell. An attorney from Smyrna, Georgia, Kamal Foreman. And our returning champion, a writer from Austin, Texas, Neil Holland, whose one-day cash winnings total $26,000. And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Johnny. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our show. Quite often, bright people, intelligent people, seem to be more reserved when expressing their emotions. But that wasn't the case on our program yesterday for our new champion, Neil Pollack. He was excited, he was happy, and he showed it. And we love that. Kamal and Eric, good luck to you today as